I think one of the biggest challenge is trying to be consistent.
What were some of your inspirations?
Brand that expresses the underdog story.
What is up, guys? Daniel here with ApparelWin. I am with Ray, and this is his brand, R Rose from Concrete. When did you start this brand, and where are you guys based out of?
I started about 3 years ago. We're based in LA.
So just started 3 years ago, based in Los Angeles, California, just like us. What would you say is some of your challenges or obstacles starting up a brand?
I think one of the biggest challenge is trying to be consistent due to many reasons, financial things, also your work ethic. And if you don't get traction, it's kind of hard to keep doing something, but luckily for me, I had a great support system. I had great friends who kept pushing me on. And somehow I'm here right now speaking with you.
What were some of your inspirations for this brand?
So this whole brand name is R Rose. My name is Ray. So this brand that expresses the underdog story. So when you think of the word rose, most people will think of the flower.
Yeah.
So, but it's also the past tense of to rise, like you rose up.
Yeah.
With all the underdogs, we all rose up. And for me, the biggest underdog of all time is my mom. Her name is Rose. So it all comes back in full circle. And she's the rose that grew from concrete against all odds. That was never supposed to happen. I was raised by a single mom, an immigrant. We didn't know anybody in this country. We came from Korea. She raised me and my sister. So this brand, everything is kind of dedicated to tell her story and my life story through her love and dedication.
Let's lay out some of your stuff. So here we have the tee.
Yep.
Mind if we take this down? Check this out, guys. Super, super nice, high quality. Wow, I love the fade that you did in the back. We got a screen print and embroidery puffing as well.
Yep.
Super, super clean. We got the double. Wow, the distressing. Love this, brother. What is this, French terry or ring spun?
This is just regular cotton.
Fire, 100% cotton. Super, super sick pieces. Last question, brother. Any word of advice for anyone up and coming, wanting to start a brand, chasing their dreams? A lot of people get lost in the sauce. Any words for them?
I would say, don't be discouraged because there's going to be many collections that you release, many things that you thought were super dope, right? And it doesn't sometimes hit the way you imagined it to be. But that doesn't mean your work sucks. It just means right now it's just not the right time. Or you're just not communicating it right to the right people. So don't be discouraged. Keep doing your thing. Everybody has their own lane. This ain't a competition. We're all trying to make it out here. We could all collaborate. There's money for everyone. There's money for all of us to eat. So it's not a competition. Don't be discouraged. Find your lane and just keep doing it. Consistency is key.
Thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate you. Where can we find you on social media?
Instagram, R Rose from Concrete. So Rose from Concrete, but 2 R's.
Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate you, of course. Danny O, logging out.